I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team.
In this video we're going to go over tweeting and retweeting. So what is tweeting? Tweeting is basically posting. It's just Twitter's way of saying posting. It's nothing other than that. Retweeting is basically sharing someone else's post. Tweeting is the heart of Twitter. Without tweets, there would be no Twitter, there would be no conversations, and there'd be no point to Twitter. Tweeting and getting involved in other people's tweets is the most important thing for Twitter. Best way to learn about it is to get involved. Watch other users, ask questions, join in conversations. Don't worry too much about saying something profound or prolific. Just have fun with it and get involved and start talking to some people. So you may even find once you tweet your first tweet that people will start some conversations with you. If you want to do an introduction tweet, then come to your profile and click profile, and then you'll be able to see your first tweet. If you want to send out an introduction tweet, you may get people jump on saying welcome and you can start some conversations. If you don't want to do that, you can write your own tweet and just dive straight in. So let's try sending the first tweet. Now I've clicked that, it's just sent the first tweet. So of course, like any other social platform, Twitter loves engagement. Commenting, sharing and liking other people's tweets will make Twitter show your tweets to other people more as well. Now I've sent out my first tweet, I'm going to go to the home page and I'm going to find someone else's tweet and I'm going to retweet it onto my page. I can add a comment if I wish. I'm going to add truth as a comment, because it is true that money, position and titles don't last. Love, kindness and patience do. So tweet. I've retweeted that onto my own page. And it looks like I've got a notification and someone just followed me. It's not very hard once you start putting in some time. A lot of people, they just set up their account, they tweet a couple of times, they may respond to a couple of posts and then nothing. They don't keep up the consistency, they don't tweet regularly, they don't follow and they don't get involved in conversations. If you're willing to put in the time, willing to put in the effort, then you absolutely can get results with Twitter. In this video we went over tweeting and retweeting.